Budgeting App Review, Usage Experience. Welcome to my Budgeting App Review, Usage Experience, and you'll find links to the products mentioned in the description below. In this video, I'm covering what budgeting apps offer, their key features, and who they're best suited for. Budgeting apps are designed to help you track income and expenses, set financial goals, and get a clearer view of your overall financial health, all from your phone or desktop. Most modern apps sync directly with your bank account accounts, automatically importing transactions so you can see exactly where your money is going. Some popular apps also categorize spending automatically, making it easier to spot patterns and areas where you might be overspending. Key features you should look for include customizable budgets, where you can create spending limits by category, like groceries, entertainment, or savings. And the app tracks your progress. Many apps also offer sure bill reminders, so you never miss due dates, and some even forecast upcoming expenses to help you stay ahead. Advanced apps also provide goal-setting tools, allowing you to plan for larger purchases, build emergency funds, or pay down debt faster, with clear progress tracking. There are two main types of budgeting apps: manual entry apps, where you add transactions yourself and have complete control, and automatic syncing apps that pull in your data from bank accounts and credit cards. Manual apps offer more control and privacy, but automatic apps save time and provide real-time insights. When it comes to who budgeting apps are made for, the answer is almost everyone, whether you're living paycheck to paycheck and need to get control of spending, or you're trying to maximize savings, invest smarter, or pay off debt. Some apps like YNAB work best for people who want full hands-on control, while apps like Mint are better for users who want automated tracking with minimal effort. To choose the right app, focus on how much time you want to spend managing your budget and whether you prefer manual adjustments or automatic tracking. Overall, a good budgeting app can transform your financial habits, helping you spend smarter, save faster, and reduce financial stress. Check the description for links to the top budgeting apps and pick the one that fits your financial goals and lifestyle.